Welcome back, everyone. Flash from Flash Hobbies. We're continuing our Chrome Slash drag build with a couple of scale accessories. So I'm going to be adding a RPM blower. I have this Fame RC faux parachute, this 3D printed air compressor tank that I'm going to put in, and I also have just a couple stickers. So I'm not going to use all these little eagle and police stuff. I was more interested in the little warning label and these we're going to add that to the parachute and other things just to make it look a little more scale. So as always, I try to leave links down below for anything that I try to use. Sometimes they get discontinued, sometimes they're just not available, but you know, it will vary by person. So I decided to go with the chrome blower kit from RPM. I think it looks pretty cool, pretty easy to take off the parts here. And as I just mentioned, they do give you the instructions, everything that you need for it. And here is the template that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that out and we're going to tape it onto our hood. And the install process should be really quick with this, but I'm actually going to do an extra step and I'm going to paint a little bit on it. I'm going to use some flat black for the belt and some Chrysler Engine Red from Testors for the inlets of the blower. We have our blower installed. I think it looks pretty good overall. Kind of small compared to what the body size is, but I think from far away it looks pretty good. In the future I might do an opening to look like the belt's going in, but for right now I think that's okay. So there we have it. We installed the RPM blower. We installed the Fame RC parachute. I put a little scale sticker that says warning, hatch can open at any time. And also this little tank. I don't know, I just saw it on Thingiverse. I thought it was pretty cool, so I wanted to add it to the truck. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. As always, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching Flash Hobbies.